There have been many attempts by police departments to restrict the speech of their employees. As officers and government employees, there are absolutely restrictions on speech while on duty. But the courts have already been clear that a police officer who is off duty has basically the same rights as everyone else, providing that officer isn't jeopardizing an investigation or hampering the agency's ability to function. By now, agencies really should know better. That's why I'm representing AZCOPS and one of our local leaders in suing Chris Nanos, the Pima County Sheriff. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with AZCOPS in Arizona. Departments attempting to curb the speech of their employees has been litigated over and over again. But it remains a somewhat common practice by some agency leaders who either don't know or just don't care. In fact, I've even personally argued a free speech issue at the Ninth Circuit. In Hernandez versus the City of Phoenix, Phoenix wanted to punish a police supervisor for social media posts made off-duty that reflected a political and personal opinion about current events. The court affirmed the officer's right to express his opinion on matters of public concern through social media posts. So imagine my surprise when Sheriff Nanos shrugged off a request to respect the constitutional rights of one of his employees. For context, a leader of a deputies union went into a local radio show and voiced his opinion about Sheriff Nanos' administration. The leader endorsed two candidates, one from each major party, as better options in the upcoming elections. The leader also voiced his opinion about another local labor group, something local leaders and competing organizations do from time to time. The competing leader threw a fit. He demanded an investigation into my client for false statements, and the sheriff's department agreed to do it. We asked, very nicely, for the department to drop the investigation. After all, the statements were made off-duty and were about matters of public concern. Sound familiar? Sheriff Nanos decided to proceed with the investigation. So now, we're having a judge take a look at the situation. This is just one more example of AZCOPS' dedication to its members. Not every group would take the steps that AZCOPS has decided to take to protect this local leader's First Amendment rights, but AZCOPS will. I'm excited to be helping AZCOPS in this venture, and we will be sure to keep you apprised of what happens next. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like, follow, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.